In this video, I will show you how to transfer from your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. So let's jump straight into it. Now, as you can see, I've currently got PayPal open. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got PayPal open and make sure you've got Payoneer opened. Now, there's two ways to go about doing this. Now, what you can do once you've logged into Payoneer is if you come to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Banks and Cards, you can transfer funds using the cards linked to your Payoneer account. However, if you want to transfer directly into your Payoneer account, what you're going to want to do is contact the customer help support. So to do this, you want to click on the link here. So when you come to this page, you're going to see a link on the right hand side. And if you go ahead and give this a click, and then from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto this option where it says send payments, withdraw to bank. And then from here, you can just go ahead and select withdrawals and bank accounts. And then what you're going to want to do is click onto the top option from here, which says how do I withdraw funds to my bank accounts? And what it's going to do is going to load up a little article with a video. Don't worry about this for now, just scroll down all the way to the bottom. And what you're going to want to do is click the contact us button. So this is going to take you across to the direct help. And from here, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to PayPal. Now, what you need to do is come up to the top, where you've got these different options, and what you want to do is click onto the one that says pay and get paid, and underneath wallet you want to select bank accounts and cards. From here, what you're going to want to do is click link a new bank account to bring up the form with the details that you're going to need. And as you can see, what it's going to ask for is the account number and sort code. So what you want to do is come back to Payoneer, to this screen, and from the top you want to actually select live chat. So from here, they're actually open Monday to Friday, 1 AM till 7 PM Eastern Standard Time. So they're not actually open because I'm doing this video on a Saturday. But what you would basically do is open up the live chat and you would be passed through to a live customer service representative. And what you would basically want to say to them is that you're looking to withdraw funds from your PayPal account into your Payoneer account. However, you are unable to find the details needed, which of course would be your sort code and account number for the Payoneer account. And what they'll do, they'll run through a quick few security checks with you. And then what they will be able to do is provide that to you. What you can then do is come back to your PayPal wallet and you can go ahead and enter the details in here, so the sort code and account number, and then you'll be able to link that account so you can then transfer funds into your Payoneer account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.